nĩ ngatho cia mwanya mwĩrori wa kiheotv nĩ gũkorwo kinyitanĩra na ithuĩ tarĩki 5 naguo mweri nĩ wa mũgira njara yũkia ngeithi ciakwa ngehoka atĩ wĩ mũhoro na kwanyu gwĩ thayũ. Nĩ njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru nake mũtwathĩi na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Mbui wa Gaku, na gĩtĩo kĩnene reke tũrike mohoro-inĩ maitũ kũrĩa atongoria kĩũteti nĩ morĩtio gũteanĩria ũteti wa ũkabiria ũrĩa ũngĩgayũkania mũingĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa maratabania ũteti wao makĩgeria gwetha iturwa ngũrani cia mwaka ũkĩte. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi ya ũngania wa magoti Nderitu Mũrĩithi kũrĩa arĩtie ici akĩarĩria mũingĩ wa Nanyuki kũrĩa amorĩtie gwĩthema na atongoria arĩa maihũirwo nĩ ũkabira.
Niwaambie wenzangu, please, this is your country. This is our country together. And when we speak, it is not just words. Words have been known to bring communities to war. Words have been known to create discord among people. So I want to plead with political leaders. I know you have to compete, but you don't have to burn your country as you compete. Nasema hivi kwa Kiswahili, kwa wenzangu wanasiasa, mashindano ya siasa ni mashindano ya sera. Political competition is about ideas. Kwa hivyo sana tunapofanya mikutano na kuzungumza na Wakenya, tunapojaribu kuwashawishi njia moja au ingine, tukumbuke hii ni Kenya yetu, na tukumbuke kwamba hapa Laikipia nchi wote wa Kenya wanaishi hapa. Ukiangalia Mkikuyu ako kaunti hii, ukiangalia Mkalenjin ako kaunti hii, ukiangalia Mumeru ako kaunti hii, ukiangalia Masai wako hapa original wa Laikipia, ukiangalia Samburu tuko hapa. Kwa hivyo ukiangalia Kisii tuko hapa. Hivyo kitu ya muhimu jameni ni kwamba za Kenya
na rĩu tũrore cigĩmainie na atumia na tũkenge. Anyiti itemi matiganĩte hamwe na magavana nĩ magĩte na gĩikaro kwarĩrĩria mũbango ũrĩa makoretwo naguo wa kũgirĩrĩria ikuũ cia ciana cia ngenge na atumia makĩheo ciana. Maugĩte mũbango wa kũhũthĩra riboti cia thibitarĩ rũhonge-inĩ rwa atumia kũherwo ciana wambĩrĩirie mĩeri 8 mĩhĩtũku na nĩ manjĩtie kuona maciaro.
The Council of Governors stands firmly with you in this journey. We remain committed to supporting counties in strengthening health systems and ensuring that the promise of safe motherhood and newborn survival becomes a reality for every Kenyan and family. Our wish that in the next 10 years, we would actually reduce these numbers. I would be the happiest person in this world, so that every mother is given a chance to thrive and every child is given a chance to live. And you people, the champions that are seated here, you started small, but we are here to celebrate the big milestones that you've done. Saving lives is not easy. You can imagine all of us seated here, we are a product of someone that went to the delivery room to save us when our mothers were giving birth. Supposing there was negligence, supposing we had people that do not have the calling, where would we be? So on a daily basis, if there's anything that you should actually encourage yourself on a daily basis, when you wake up in the morning, please speak to your subconscious mind that you're not doing this as a job. You're doing this as a calling to save humanity. And the challenges that befall you, you will be able to surmount them.
That when we look at the indicators in Africa, there's a lot to be done. Our leaders made commitments. We go to almost every country in Africa. The target they have for 2030 is almost the same. For maternal deaths, for under 5, for the newborns. But in terms of getting there, we are at different phases, different stages in the continent.
Tukio riboti-inĩ o ta ĩyo, thirikari ya kaunti ya Kericho nĩ ĩrehete macini igana rĩmwe cia mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 3 iria irĩhũthĩka mathibitarĩ-inĩ iria ikũhũthĩrwo nĩ tũkenge nĩguo gũthara mĩoyo, kuona namba ya ciana iria ikoretwo igĩkua nĩ ikoretwo ikĩongerereka na njĩra nene. Macini icio oho igũteithĩrĩria gũkũrana mwana arĩ na thĩna wa mwĩrĩ nĩguo akahota kũrigitwo na ihenya.
I'm very, very privileged to be here with you today, and in particular to witness myself the great vista that I have seen. No child, no expectant mother who comes to the hospital should go home without a child. And I am pleased. I have seen the wonderful innovation that are known by NeoGuard. It is a wonderful digital equipment. And remember the 5 pillars of better. One of them is digital superhighway. We are going technology. I am even informed that blood could be delivered to our hospitals using the drones. I think technology is the way of life. Even Gen Zs, they say we are technology. And as we proceed in this manner, I urge the governor to continue, even those dispensaries should be brought under NeoGuards, because this is the way to go.
Tutigana na icio kumana na kuongereka kwa namba ya airĩtu anini arĩa marahikithio akia hinya anyiti itemi mwena wa Baringo ya mũhuro nĩ matabanĩtie mũcemanio ũrĩa ũrehete hamwe nginyagia arutani anene kwarĩrĩria na gwetha kĩhonia kĩa ihiko icio nĩguo cikorwo igĩthira na nĩguo kana gaka airĩtu gakorwo gĩtharwo na arĩ gakorwo nĩ karathoma na gũkinyanĩria kĩroto gĩako.
Tunasema mambo ya early marriages. Sisi wenye walimu na stakeholders to be encouraged kwamba watoto wanaozwa mapema wa shule na watoto wengine wanapewa mimba huko shule. Yani tumekuwa yale tunakula matunda mbichi. Sisi wenyewe ndo tunachokora wanafunzi, tunashirikiana na viongozi chief, tunashirikiana na viongozi wengineo. Mtoto amepewa mimba, unapata mwalimu wa shule hata hajaandika ripoti. Sasa inakuwa ni sintofahamu tuko nazo nyingi. Leo hii tunataka tuongee kwa sauti kali kwamba ushapewa mifedha, pesa unayo ama huna. Si pesa unayo? Si pesa umepewa cheki hapa. Unajua uwezi kuwa umekuja kupewa cheki na baadaye uende kuandikisha matokeo duni. Wacha nitumie maneno ya mheshimiwa, wewe mwenyewe ndio utakuwa umejidunisha.
Mimi nikiwa mchumbe ni kwamba ninatoa mwito kwa watu wangu kwamba early marriages, any pregnancy unnecessary to any going school child, please can we stop that behavior? Can we also reason and do what other Kenyans are doing? Let us give opportunities to our daughters, to our children, to our girls to proceed with their studies. Let us see what they have, their potentiality in future. Let us build them, let us support them.
Senator wa Naikuru Tabitha Karanja nĩ ateanĩrie mĩario ya Governor Susan Kihika ya kuga gũthũka kwa motungata ma ũrigiti thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Naivasha level 4 nĩ kumana na thirĩ wa SHA. Tabitha augĩte Kihika rĩu ethe ũndũ ũngĩ wa kuga na akiuge kũrĩa aragĩtwara mbeca cia mũingĩ.
Na nisikia Excellency Governor wakati tulikutana na kanisa hapa Naivasha akisema amenituma ile inazuia hiyo maneno ya hospitali ya Naivasha iwe up to date, ipate hiyo diagnostic machine, madawa. Akasema ni ile pesa imekwama wapi? Nakuru national government 100 million ya SHA. Ana akanituma mimi mwenyewe niende nikamtafutie hiyo pesa. Sasa mimi nikachukua simu kwa sababu nisikia kama hospitali kweli imekosa kufunguliwa kwa sababu ya pesa imelala kwa SHA, wacha mimi nipige simu. Nikipiga simu nikaambiwa hapana, na SHA yenyewe iko na mtu katika ofisi ya governor mwenyewe, naitwa SHA admin. Kwa hivyo hiyo SHA admin ndiye anatakiwa kuenda kutafuta hiyo pesa katika ofisi ya health, Ministry of Health. Lakini sasa ile shida iko kubwa, documents za kusupport ile pesa wanaitisha hakuna. Her Excellency Governor last year ukiangalia kwa Auditor General report ali collect 1.8 billion kutoka hizi hospitali zetu. Hiyo pesa inaitagwa facility improvement fees. Kwa hivyo inatakiwa kurudishwa kwa hospitali. Lakini sasa wakaitoa, wakaiweka kwa account nyingine ya county government ili sasa hiyo pesa ipiwe. Kama hiyo pesa ingewekwa to the right account, ya hiyo pesa itumike kama facility improvement fund, ingekuwa hospitali zetu zote ziko na machines zile za diagnostic machine na ziko na madawa na madaktari wako na kila kitu. Lakini sisi tunasema tunaokota 1.8 billion. Si ile 1.2 billion ilitumika kwa makaunti karibu zote. Kwa hivyo meaning Her Excellency amefail our health sector kwa kuchukua hiyo pesa ile inatakiwa kurudishwa ili inunue diagnostic machine, inunue madawa na ihakikishe madaktari wako na kila kitu. Instead of that, hiyo pesa inawekwa wrong account, alafu hiyo pesa inaibiwa, inabebwa na mangunia. Kwa hivyo Susan, don't blame SHA, blame yourself. Kwa sababu wewe ndiye una sivon ile pesa inaokotwa.
Unyihu wa madagitari a magego na kwaga guthomithio ciĩgiĩ utheru wa kanua kuri muingi wa Teso ya Rugongo guku ni kaunti ya Busia ni imwe cia itumi iria icũngĩrĩirie aingĩ ao kũgĩa na mathĩna ma magego. Ni maũndũ marĩa meyumĩrĩtie hĩndĩ ya ũrigiti ũtarĩ marĩhi ũnyitanĩire na thukuru wa KMTC.
I think one of the major challenges that we see in the rural areas is that a lot of people don't have access to proper oral health care, and their education or their knowledge in oral health is a bit lacking. So I think it's good to actually reach out to people, give more information about how to practice good oral hygiene and how to be your own dentist. Yeah, you need to prevention is the start.
Kwa leo nilikuwa nimekuja kuoshwa meno ambapo nimefanyiwa vizuri. Hata sasa na metameta naweza penya meno kwa watu vizuri. Nashukuru sana.
Tumekosa msaada huu kwa muda mrefu na tujawahi pata katika hospitali yote hapa hivi.
Wazee wamesaidika, maana wengi walikuwa wanalalama kwa sababu ya kuwa na uchungu katika meno zao.
I want to urge our Teso communities not to believe on the traditional herbal medicine when they hear of any tooth problems. I want to encourage them, when you hear of anything, you feel anything on your teeth, please consult the doctors. That's the only way we can attend to that issue as early as it comes to your body.
But I do recommend, highly recommend, that when you do have anything related to your tooth, please visit a dentist. Dentists are professionals who have trained in this field, and it's best to get professional advice. And if you are ever having pain or anything to do with your teeth, please visit your dentist. And I recommend for everybody that you must visit a dentist at least twice a year. Every 6 months, get a cleaning, get your mouth checked for any tumors or any decay that is starting. Decay that is starting early, when it's caught early, is cheaper to fix than when it becomes more bigger, gets into the nerve, then you will need a root canal, and that becomes more expensive.
Nĩ ngatho icio cigimainie na ũtheru wa kanua gatwekanya gũkorwo tũgĩkĩria oro hanini tũgũcokereria tuĩke matuka-inĩ twamũkĩrĩre ndũmĩrĩri cigana ũna.
Initiation ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku. Wagacoke nĩ tũrathane na wandatha ndigũthĩnjĩra.
Nĩ ndukũ inya cia tabarĩra yaku ĩrĩa wendete ya gwĩceka tũciongereire mwago nĩguo we na kũmboeka mũikare mũraihanĩrĩirie. Hashtag inya cia gũkwagĩrithĩria mĩthenya yaku. Monday nĩ hashtag
Weekend Vibe.
Mũthenya wa kerĩ nĩ gũtaũkwo na kũmenya ciĩgiĩ mũcani ũcio ũgũcanjamũraga thĩinĩ wa
hashtag tumenye msanii.
Sana languages. Tukienda sasa hizi zingine za mathematics, sciences.
Naguo mũthenya wa Wednesday nĩ hashtag
kĩũndũ kĩa mwanya atĩa.
Twagũtarĩria maũndũ ũtoĩ ũtarĩ waigua na marĩa ũtoĩ gĩtũmi kĩamo.
Nĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga mũno thĩinĩ wa Afrika. Nĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe.
Aramithi nĩ matene.
Hashtag matene yani.
Matu maũndũ marĩa mahanĩkaga tene na marathiĩ mariganĩire tũgĩkũririkania nĩguo ndũkariganĩrwo nĩmo.
Ndĩkagũiga bita nĩkĩ waria nĩtũitwa nyoni tataika nyone
nĩ gwĩceka tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩgũkinyagĩra o mũthenya kwambĩrĩria thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa Kiheo TV. Ũgĩterevoni waku ũtagũtiga kada iheo kĩhĩri MC Kĩheji wa Gĩtawa.
Ewe nĩ wenderera we kawĩra kau gaku o investiire mĩaka ĩyo yothe rĩ ũmũthĩ ũyũ ngoma angĩarĩria tũrĩ anĩme moke magũkua indo ciaku ũngĩka atĩa kana ũngĩambĩrĩria kũmacaria na mĩguĩ ta njege ta teng'era kũrĩa gwa Kimuma Engineering System ũmere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganĩrĩra mũhuko waku. Oho nĩ makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Nĩ makoragwo na access control system ĩrĩa cia kũhinya fingerprint ũgĩtonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na nĩ makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kũhinya remote ũguo wĩra nĩ mũingĩ twa gũtinda kũng'ang'ana na ngeti. Nĩ mahetwo ngerenwa nyingĩ mũno. Nduka ciao ciĩ kũrĩa Nairobi CBD macemanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793 494949 kana 0793 949494 kana 0793 595959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kemuma Engineering System. Twaririe
ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
When it comes to raising children, kindu kia mbere ndirera ciaria thaa ici uria we baba wanyu na mami wanyu kana andu aria makurerire aguka wanyu acushu wanyu uria makurerire tigo urarera generation ino. Ndikana nionete ga video kana trend TikTok kana gatira igwa dio tata wega kero etira mami wanyu akamwira atafanya.
Do we have mutual benefit or any benefit financially from your work too? In case you're not there are those people togiuga ne your dependents national magi suffer financial loss. The life insurance yokaga in that gap.
Tondu hatiri handu ona hamwe angehota gwika atia gwaka gutiri gwake gutiri kwao mundu ucio agirwo gwikarirwo ni aria me thirikari magacira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makoiga atiri kwina ndo itu mena the titondu we nuinuka nyumba-ini ya ihinda gutina thina andu acio nitwicirie uhoro wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura na Wanjiru wa Mwangi tabarira-ini ya gugithereruka o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano thinacara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini mitambo-ini ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiriku.
Tigatho ni twareke gugicokereria ororigi mubunge wa imenti ya muhuro Dagitari Shadrack Mwiti na rugurite mubango wa uheani wa basari kuri arutu aria maumite family iria hinyiririku ona makiria kiuga hari fata wa kunyitira ciana taicio niguo kumanyotora nyota ya githomo aheanite muigana wa shiringi milioni 36.6 cia basari.
Tunapatiana basari ya 36,625,666 shillings. My responsibility as the MP is to look for facilities for national cake. Kama vile umeambiwa, I have managed to bring relief food in South Imenti more than any other place in Meru, if not in Kenya. I can assure you within the next few years, all schools will have enough facilities, classrooms renovated, and others built, because education is a pillar of this nation. I will continue promoting education to the principals and the teachers, to the leadership. I'm out to do my best. And I've organized with the PS, Professor Bitok, and the CS Migos. We are coming to South Imenti one of these good days. We have a chat. I know there are challenges of competition. We have several challenges in education, but we are asking the government, as one of their National Assembly members, representing you people, to see how we can improve education. I have been able to have Mount Kenya East institution at Morongurune Kionyo. In addition to that, I went ahead and fought for Mitungo TVET to be a national polytechnic. So now it is Mitungo National Polytechnic. The Igoji Boys land is almost sorted out, and we are due to start TVET at Igoji one of these good days. Koja nitoe shukrani kwa His Excellency the President, the Deputy President, and the government of Kenya for the support they have given us. You know very well, I was elected through a Jubilee ticket, the Azimio, but when I went to Parliament, I joined the government, And I'm in the government because it is only that government that will give me resources to bring to you. We have to also to thank the president for having appointed the deputy president, Professor Kithure Kindiki, who is giving him a lot of support without complaining. A leader requires a support.
Na kigomano kia uthunduri kiria gitafaniro university-ini wa Masai Mara kiria kiri na muoroto wa kunyitira arutwo aria meyumirite na uthunduri mweru kuria murugamiriri wa uthunduri guku bururi-ini Tony Omwansa agitugiria arutwo aguku kora university no irongoreirie maundu ma uthunduri makiria cigimaine na ugendi.
How industry partners want to leverage the university called Masai Mara Universities on matters of tourism, on matters of environmental resource management and conservation. How the government leverages the expertise and the capabilities of Masai Mara Universities on this area of niching. And how funders are willing to put resources and invest in Masai Mara University infrastructure and ecosystem.
We cannot say that we are on our way to innovating when we are not working with industries. Working with industries is a must, it is mandatory for us if we really want to go somewhere in innovation.
In our innovation, we are trying to protect the Mara River by protecting the Mau forest, by enhancing the reduction of tree cuttages for firewood production. Since we use paper waste, sawdust, and the wheat straw to produce the briquette fuel. The briquette fuel helps save Mau by reducing the tree cuttages, hence protecting River Mara and encouraging the 5 M's that Masai Mara University try to protect.
Atiki ndugu hao ni tuko tugikirira ngaturumo no na sherekia kwihanda thaa ithatu tuko tugicemania ro ha mutwathi na njira ciko auma wabui wa gaku njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru tucemanie thaa ithatu.